Welcome, guys, to another chapter of very important concept max width and margin auto. Let's quickly go through some of the important notes. The max width property actually defines the maximum width of the element. It prevents the width of the element from becoming larger than the specified max width. The height of the element changes automatically when the content inside the element is larger than the max width value. Here we have some boilerplate code style with a class box and some CSS inside it. And then we have a body tag with some HTML content. And its preview looks like this. It's very simple thing, a header and a box. Now what we do is let's wrap this box inside a container, okay, and then uh, our class container is something which has a width, okay, of suppose 1000 pixel, and I save it. And now if you see the preview, it just look like this. Okay, previously when we didn't define the width of the container, then our width was full. Let me show you. If we comment this out, then you can see the width is full. And now if I set the width of the container, which is actually the width of the box, then it is only this much. Here you can see, okay, it's not taking the complete width of the browser. And now what is the problem here? If I minimize it, okay, and then here you can see, okay, after like this point, okay, uh, our element is now going to that side and we have to do the horizontal scrolling, okay, which looks very ugly, okay, and that's where our max width come into picture. Instead of this width we need to specify the max width. When I save it and then see the preview, okay, now let's see how this affect our behavior. And now you can see this, that our max width is 1000 pixel, and when our width is just in decreasing, then it is taking that into effect, and our content inside the box is also changing. And this is one of the concept for the responsive design. You can see this is now a mobile layout, and now our element, that is box, is also visible in the mobile. The another important concept is, you can see this element, when we specified the width, is now showing to the left, which is the left align, the default align. And here we have some, okay, some space around here, okay, you can see that, okay, we have some space which is margin around this one. Now to get this element into center, we need to use the margin auto, and for that if we specify margin as auto, and then you can see now our element is now centered, okay, you can see very simple. And if we want to specify some margin top or bottom, we can also do that, okay, 20 pixel, okay, and here when we see this, then 20 pixel top bottom, and then left right is auto, and that basically set the element into center. This is a very important concept, to center the element. And that's all in this chapter. I hope now with this chapter you understood what is max width concept and margin auto concept. Thank you for watching. See you in the next chapter.